Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a fun, budget-friendly DIY project. Turning an empty Pringles can into a speaker. We're going to create a passive sound amplifier first, and then we'll level up and build a fully powered version. Let's get started. First, for the passive amplifier, you'll need an empty and clean Pringles can, a utility knife or box cutter, and a smartphone. Carefully, using the knife, cut a slot near the bottom of the can, large enough to accommodate your phone. Make sure your phone can sit comfortably and securely in the slot. The size of the slot will depend on your phone's dimensions, so measure it beforehand. Now, insert your phone into the slot. Play some music and enjoy the amplified sound. The Pringles can act as a resonator, increasing the volume. It's not a huge difference, but it's a great quick and simple upgrade. Now, let's move on to the powered speaker. You'll need the same Pringles can, a small audio amplifier module easily found online. A pair of small speakers salvaged from an old device is fine, some wires, a soldering iron and solder, a power source like a USB power bank, and a way to create some holes. This could be a drill or a sharp tool. First, prepare the Pringles can. You'll need to make holes, one for the power input, one for the audio input, usually a 3.5mm jack, and two for the speakers. You can measure the diameter of the speakers and amplifier module to get an idea of the sizes you need. Next, install the amplifier module inside the can. Solder the wires from the speakers to the output terminals of the amplifier module. Connect the power source to the amplifier module's power input. If your amplifier module has a 3.5mm jack for the audio input, great. If not, you'll need to wire up the audio input wires. Make sure everything is properly connected and insulated to avoid short circuits. Now, place your speakers and amplifier module inside the can. Seal it up, and you're ready to test your speaker. Plug in your audio source and turn on the power. Test the sound and volume. Make sure to double-check that all connections are correct. Adjust the volume on your phone and the amplifier module if there is one. If the sound is distorted, check your connections again, or consider using a different amplifier module or speakers. You can optionally add a small grill to protect the speakers and give a professional finish. And there you have it, a fully powered speaker made from a Pringles can. It's an eco-friendly way to recycle and create something useful. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more fun DIY projects.